Lovely morning, bit quiet, but you can't have everything. Now this area has really come down in price recently, and I think you can see why. And the neighbours, you'll be pleased to hear, keep themselves to themselves. Excellent transport links. Well, links. My face is real. Nothing else you just watched exists. Not the street, not the smog, not the very reasonable property prices. But here's the part that actually matters. Every single image that made this film was made with a model that didn't exist a few weeks ago. Dzine just dropped a whole shelf of new models, 2 new image models, Nano Banana 2 Lite and Seedream Pro 5.0. 3 new video models, Seedance 2 Mini, Kling 3.0 Turbo and an updated Happy Horse 1.1. Who comes up with these names? So instead of reading a spec sheet, I gave every one of them a job to do, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly which model to reach for which shot, and which one of them genuinely surprised me. Every AI film starts before the video models even wake up. You need plates, still images that define your world, your character, your look. So the first job went to the 2 new image models and I gave them both the exact same brief. So here we are inside Dzine, and down the bottom here is where you can choose your image models. And you can see which ones are the new ones because they have new written on them. So we've got Seedream 5.0 Pro, which is new, and Nano Banana 2 Lite. So we're going to just try both of these models out. I'm going to click Seedream 5.0. I'm going to choose a reference image of my face, and we're going to create a character here of me dressed impeccably, me at image 1, dressed impeccably, tailored suit, standing on a devastated city street, collapsed buildings, ash, golden hour light, breakthrough, smoke, cinematic color grade, keep my face exactly consistent. And then we've got the options here, 16:9, 2K, and we're going to click generate here. And then we're also going to try with Nano Banana 2 Lite and see which one does the best job. So with Nano Banana 2 Lite we've got the choice of 16:9, but it doesn't give you a choice of the resolution. So the exact same prompt, but you look at the speed of that. Look how fast Nano Banana Lite did that. Here we have Nano Banana Lite on the screen. That is a really super interesting image. I like it a lot. Lots of style to that image. Very cool. This is our Seedream 5 image here, which is obviously a lot better quality, a lot more, looks a lot more like me, just overall better quality. But Nano Banana, so you can see Nano Banana is definitely not as high a quality, but the style of what Nano Banana Lite's done is very cool, as opposed to Seedream 5.0 here, which is very kind of crisp and clean. So let's go with this image here. I'm going to try out the new video models. We've got Seedance Mini 2, Happy Horse 1.1 and Kling 3 Turbo. So we're going to do all of these in start frame. So here we go. We'll go with this one here. And I'm going to give it this prompt: steady cam tracking shot, camera glides backwards ahead of the subject at walking pace, frame medium close up, and a immaculate dressed man strolls calmly down devastated street, collapsed buildings and drifting ash behind him, speaking directly to camera about how lovely the weather is. Directly to camera in a British accent. So here's our prompt. It's saying that Seedance may not follow the end frame, but we're just going to test these all on start frame here, and we're going to go for Seedance 2 Mini. We'll go for 720. We'll make this 15 seconds long. It's auto because it's already a widescreen, so it's going to make it in that mode. Seedance 2 is going now. Now we're going to go to Happy Horse 1.1. We'll do exactly the same thing. Happy Horse 1.1 here. We've got 16:9. This one can go up to 1080p, so we'll go up to 1080p. We'll do the best each of these models can do. And then the next one we've got here is Kling 3.0 Turbo, which is also 15 seconds long, 1080, 16:9. And we've also got another new model here, which I wasn't planning on doing, but seeing as it's available, Grok 1.5, and it also goes up to 15 seconds at 720. And we'll give that one a go too. Let's just look at the cost of the credits on these briefly while we're waiting here. So we've got Grok Imagine 1.5 15 seconds at 720 is 570, and then Happy Horse is 675 credits for that same, but this at 1080, so double the quality in terms of resolution. Kling Turbo 525, and then Seedance Mini is actually coming in the cheapest at 15 seconds, but it's only 720. But that's the same as Grok Horse as well. So Seedance Mini is actually quite cheap, so it'll be interesting to see how these compare in the actual outputs now.
Absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Perfect for a walk.
Gorgeous day, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. You couldn't ask for better weather, honestly. Look at that light. Golden. You know, people pay a fortune for this sort of thing on holiday. Bit smoky, I suppose, but otherwise, perfection.
You really cannot ask for a finer day. The sunlight is absolutely delightful, don't you think?
Lovely weather, isn't it? Perfect for a stroll, really. The light is just gorgeous. So peaceful out here.
So I've numbered these videos because I don't want you to know which model is which yet. Look back for yourself and decide without knowing which model is which one you think is the best and for what reasons. I'll give you my quick feedback on these models. Number one, it doesn't hold my likeness very well, but it looks good visually, and it does this odd thing where it repeats the words and doesn't have very good dialogue. Number two, it also didn't quite hold my likeness as well, but looked very visually interesting. Number three, really good. It was my favourite so far up to that point, but number four just really blew it out the water. Now go back and watch the videos again and try and guess which one you think is which model. So if you don't want to know, quickly go back now, because number one was Seedance 2 Mini, number two Happy Horse 1.1, Kling 3 Turbo, and Grok was number four, Grok Imagine 1.5. I bet you are surprised. So out of those four, the two that really impressed me were Kling 3.0 Turbo, which was at 1080p already, and also Grok Imagine 1.5, which was at 720. And one of the new features that Dzine also has over here on the left hand side is they have Dzine Upscaler 2.0. And you can access it over that way and upload a file, or you can come over here onto the right and click onto Video Enhance and Upscale, click onto Upscale, and then choose to upscale to 1080, 4K, or even up to 8K. And so for just 30 credits more, I can upscale this to 1080p, which we'll do right now, and then I'll show you the result right away.
Lovely weather, isn't it? Perfect for a stroll, really. The light is just gorgeous. So peaceful out here.
Everything you just watched today was made inside Dzine. Every model, one workspace, the link's below. Pick one shot from this film, just one, and try to rebuild it with a prompt on screen. That's how you actually learn a new model, not by watching me do it. And when you get a result, good or horrifying, I genuinely want to see it. I'll see you in the next video.